Good day, everyone. Now that the flu season is round the corner, here are a few home remedies for cough in children. First of all, warm fluids like warm water, mint, tulsi, or lemon tea soothes the throat. Ginger. The active compound in which is gingerol has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It also relaxes the throat. Honey, which has mucus clearing properties, and it is children's favorite because of its yummylicious taste. Turmeric, which has curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, can be used during cough. Most parents avoid giving milk during cough. Well, not to worry. You can add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and pepper powder along with some honey to warm milk and give your child so that the nutrition is not hampered during the episode of cough. Pineapple juice has bromelain, which suppresses the cough and has mucus clearing properties and also alleviates allergy related issues. Garlic, onion, and carom seeds improve the immune system and then help in fighting flu. Steam inhalation with either plain water or eucalyptus, peppermint, or lavender oil helps in relieving cough. Note: cough in children aged lesser than 1 year has always to be evaluated by your pediatrician. If your cough persists or worsens despite using all these remedies, it is time to say hi to your doctor. Thank you.